In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of WordPress you're using. Whether it's a personal blog or a business website, knowing your WordPress version is essential for keeping your site secure and up to date. First, log into your WordPress dashboard using your username and password. Once you're in, scroll down to the very bottom of any admin page, whether it's your dashboard, posts, or pages section. In the footer area, on the right hand side, you'll see the WordPress version number displayed. It's a small detail, but it's incredibly important. Knowing your version ensures your site is secure, compatible with plugins and themes, and that tutorials or solutions you follow match your setup. By keeping an eye on your WordPress version, you can also stay informed about updates that bring new features or improvements to your site. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to check your WordPress version and keep your site running smoothly. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks. Happy blogging!